Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quabosely, and today we are going to be replacing the dash bezel on my radio head unit. I guess you can call it console. I'm not quite sure exactly what it is, but we're replacing it today because the clips that hold it in, the plastic pieces, they're broken off, so it doesn't hold anymore. There's a crack at the top of it. So today I'm going to show you how to replace that with a nice, fancy, upgraded new one. Let's get into it. So here is the current dash bezel we have in here, and as you can tell, it's kind of sticking out a little bit. It's the clips aren't holding it in at all. If I just push it off, it just comes right out. So we're gonna replace that today. It's also got a crack up top here. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this. I did put a CarPlay radio in here a couple months ago. I didn't do a video on that because I just wanted to get it in. So factory radio is out. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. First steps first, if you do have clips that work, just take a flat-headed screwdriver and go along the tops here as well as the bottom. There should be about 6 of them holding them in, 3 on each side. Once you get it off, you will see that there is a wire right here that goes to your passenger airbag. If you take you can probably take your finger back here. I don't know if I could show you. Let me see. Can't really get a good angle for you guys, but the wire is right down there in the center. So if you just take your finger and you go back here, you could disconnect it, and then you're able to slide this out. There's also going to be some wires down here. Like I said, this is for your flashers. There's a tab on the bottom here. You just take my thumb, push it up, slides right out. Tuck that back in here. Now we have 3 more wires to go. We have your 12-volt cigarette lighter, same thing, little pin right here. Push that in, pull out, that comes out. Now here is your AC heater module here, this whole module here. There are 2 big wire connectors, as you can tell. There's a blue and there's a black. You're going to take, you see there's a security pin right there. You're going to push that down, and you're going to grab this gray clip and push up at the same time, and you'll see this pop out. So I'm going to set you guys down. Like I said, you could use a screwdriver, or you could use I'm using a blade, but push down and push the gray clip up, and then you'll see this clip, as you keep going up, pushes out, and then it should pop right out like that. So we got that out. We're gonna go ahead, do the next one here. Push down, pull up, take that out, and now our bezel is free. So the new one I got has an AC module on it and everything else built into it. The only thing we're gonna take out is this hazard, I guess your flashers module here, and if you take a flat-headed screwdriver and push these 2 pins in, you can pop it out the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll go ahead and grab our new bezel. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, just to give you a comparison, this is the old one, this is the new one. So the new one actually did not have one of these vents, so I took the old one off, put it on the new one. But the main reason why I'm replacing this is not only did I have to epoxy this module back on because the tabs broke, but also these clips. If you notice here on the right side, you have a clip here and a clip here. You notice that my tabs are gone. They're completely broke off. Same thing on this side. 1, 2. I have one, the other one's off. In the middle here, there's 2 of them. I have one, other one's gone. Up top, you have 1 and you have 2. I have nothing on the top. So I got everything switched over to this one. The only thing I had to get was another module for the AC, something that I can actually put in here, and then I did the hazard module as well. But I just took the old one off and put on the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and take this, make our connections, and push it back in. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I got the new bezel in, and guys, I love this. I know that there's probably a lot of black going on, but with the amount of black that's in the rest of the car, I don't think it's going to be much of a big deal. So everything sits flat now. It's nice and tight. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a clean, but other than that, everything works. AC module, the flashers work, 12 volts work, the radio sits nice and flush in there, the vents are nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna remind you guys, none of these parts were brand new. These were all used. So this bezel was used, the AC module was used. So I don't have any links for you guys to get them if you need them, but if you're wondering where I got them off eBay. So pretty good. I'm happy with it. I don't have to worry about fixing the AC vent every time, so I'm really happy with it. So ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's video on the Ford Freestyle. I know we're banging out Ford Freestyle videos. I'm just trying to get this car into as pristine shape as I can, trying to fix things that were broken that I just put off for a little while. So just some helpful tips. So hopefully if you guys have Ford Freestyles like mine, there's not a lot of these out there, so I'm trying to help you guys with any problems you guys have. If you guys do have any questions, please hit me up in the comments. I will respond to them. I do read them, so if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. If you guys like this video, please give this video a like. If you have not already, subscribe to Car Boss Lee, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.